The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly. The only way to live is by accepting each minute as an unrepeatable miracle. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. Life is a succession of moments. To live each one is to succeed. The ability to be in the present moment is a major component of mental wellness. You must live in the present, launch yourself on every wave, find your eternity in each moment. The present moment is the only moment available to us, and it is the door to all moments.